In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image gallery in Google Sites. If you want to showcase photos, product shots, event highlights, or a portfolio in a clean, professional way, Google Sites makes it simple with its built-in image carousel. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can get a polished gallery on your page in just a few minutes. Start by opening Google Sites and editing the page where you want your gallery to appear. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can make changes to the layout. If you already have a section in mind, scroll to that area so you can place the gallery exactly where it belongs. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the panel with building blocks for your site. Click Insert. This panel is your toolbox for adding content like text, images, and layouts. We'll use it to add the gallery component that Google Sites calls the image carousel. From the Insert panel, select Image Carousel. This is the feature that displays your images in a rotating gallery one after another with a clean, modern look that works well on desktop and mobile. When the carousel placeholder appears on your page, you're ready to add your photos. Click Add Images. You have two main options here. You can upload images directly from your computer, which is great if your photos are saved locally, or you can select images from Google Drive. If you've already organized them in a folder, choose whichever is more convenient. For best results, use clear, high-quality images with consistent orientation and try to keep file sizes reasonable so your page loads quickly. Once your images are added, arrange them in your desired order. You'll see thumbnails that you can drag and drop to reorder. Think about how your audience will experience the gallery. Lead with your strongest image, group similar photos together, and finish with something memorable. You can always come back and reorder later if you change your mind. When the carousel is placed, you can adjust its size by dragging its edges so it fits neatly within your page layout. Keep your overall design in mind and leave enough breathing room so the gallery doesn't feel cramped. If you have text or a heading nearby, align things visually so the section looks cohesive. That's it. You've added an image gallery in Google Sites by opening your page, using the Insert panel, choosing Image Carousel, adding your photos from your computer or drive, and arranging them in the order you want. With a few thoughtful choices, your images will tell a clear, engaging story right on your site.